I can't believe we just got pulled over.
I know, what did I do wrong?
You were speeding a bit back there.
I thought I was going the limit.
Well, the officer seems serious.
Should I roll down the window?
Yeah, go ahead and be polite.
Okay, here goes.
Good afternoon, officer.
Good afternoon. Do you know why I stopped you?
I think I might have been speeding.
Can I see your license and registration?
Sure, let me grab them from the glove compartment.
Please take your time.
Here you go, officer.
Thank you. Do you know how fast you were going?
I thought it was 55 miles per hour.
Unfortunately, you were going 70 miles per hour.
Oh wow, I didn't realize that.
It's important to pay attention to the speed limit.
I understand, I'm really sorry.
You've got to be more careful next time.
Is there any way to avoid a ticket?
I can't promise anything, but I'll consider it.
I appreciate that, officer.
Just remember to drive safely.
Absolutely, I'll be more mindful. Thank you for understanding.
You're welcome. Just slow down, all right?
I will, thank you for the advice.
Have a good day.
You too, officer. Thanks again.
Bye. No problem.
Let's hope we don't get pulled over again.
Agreed. I'll drive slower from now on.
Good idea, it's just not worth it.
Right. Safety first.
Maybe we should check the speed limits more often.
Yes, let's do that.
Okay, let's continue our road trip.
Sounds great.